Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. If you want to do assembly quickly, you can use the copy with math tool. Just like this, click all this bold component, right click copy with math. Make sure the component you choose are correct. Click next. In this step, you match the math according to the component copy. Like this, click this space for concentric math and this space for coincident math. Okay, see, now you copy and paste the ball with math. Just do it again. Click this space for concentric math and this space for coincident math. Okay. See, with this tool you do the assembly quickly and easy to do it. That is a quick tips. See ya.